I tried Trust Wallet Chrome app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When Trust Wallet released its Chrome extension, I had to test it. After all, the mobile version is one of the most popular wallets in the world. But after using the Chrome app for 7 days, the shocking truth is this browser extension is a game changer for anyone living in the web world. From day one, setup was easy. I imported my wallet using my recovery phrase, and in seconds I was ready to connect to decentralized apps. The extension supports multiple blockchains including Ethereum, Ben, a smart chain, Polygon and Solana, all from a single interface. Most people think browser wallets are clunky or unsafe, but Trust Wallet's Chrome version flips that idea completely. It's fast, clean, and secure. Every transaction requires manual confirmation, and you can easily switch between networks without losing your sanity. Throughout the week, I tested everything: swapping tokens, minting NIFs, and even connecting to DeFi platforms. What surprised me was how smooth it felt compared to MetaMask. The gas fee estimator was accurate, and the token discovery feature helped me find verified assets without worrying about scams. Another big win: built-in hardware wallet support. You can connect Ledger devices directly, giving you that extra layer of protection if you're managing larger assets. Now, it's not perfect. The Chrome version doesn't yet include all the features from the mobile app, like staking or cross-chain swaps. But for daily web browsing, it's surprisingly efficient. By the end of my 7 days, I realized the shocking truth. Trust Wallet Chrome isn't just an extension, it's a full web portal right inside your browser. It combines convenience, speed, and solid security, making it one of the best crypto extensions available today. If you're deep into DeFi or just starting out, this tool might become your new digital gateway.